Good morning. It's Christian with TaylorMade Pest Control. I am leaving my house now from a BNI Zoom meeting that we met at 7:30 this morning, and getting ready for the day. Going out, do a few stops. Might have to come back, do some admin stuff since my admin is out. I think probably. Hopefully she's able to work this afternoon, but we'll see. But I wanted to make a quick video because I was subbing in for my good buddy Chris Brown with Cool Dog HVAC. And I came to the point where we do the 60-second presentation. And he didn't really give me anything to say, but I rocked it out. Rocked it out so well in his ask that I won the best presentation, weekly presentation for the week. And now they're like, you have to come back now. And I'm like, okay, well, I can come back as a visitor for sure, but I'm already a part of a BNI group. And they're like, wow, this is the first time in the history of this group that they had a guest or a sub win the weekly presentation. And I'm like, well, this is the first time that I've won a weekly presentation at all, period. So I must need to be a HVAC salesperson instead of a bug guy. And why am I making this video? Quite simply because of what that means and the principle that means. I know I have some people that say, oh, well, I can't sell XYZ because I just don't know all the technical terms. I don't know the technicality, and I don't know anything about the work. Well, that's just bullshit. And the reason why I say it's bullshit is because I don't know a lick of thing about AC except I push a button on my app, turn on the AC when it gets hot, or push a button on my app to turn it off, or push a button on the app to turn the heat on when it gets cold at night, or cold during the day in the wintertime. And but I was able to do a presentation about, because I know, I use Cool Dog HVAC. They're my HVAC people. I've known them before meeting other people that do HVAC in my BNI group now. So I'm loyal to him. But I was able to, because I know of his business, I was able to have a specific ask. He's looking for homeowners in the West Butyl area and the surrounding areas, because that's where his office is at. It's summertime. We're looking for homeowners within West Butyl area and the surrounding areas that want to stay cool. I know Chris is super busy installing and repairing AC units because it's super hot outside. So I also know he sells maintenance programs where he comes out twice a year, once in the spring, once in the fall, to get your AC unit and your furnace maintained, cleaned, and made sure that it's going to be in working order. So you don't call him at midnight saying, oh my gosh, it's hot and I can't sleep. I need you out now. And you're going to have to wait a couple of days because he's super busy and backed up. So get with Chris now. He can get you on the schedule, maintain those machines for you that work 98% of the day, so they can continue working, so you don't have to make emergency calls to Chris and then be bummed that you can't get on his schedule for a couple days because he's busy and he's really good at what he does. You see? And now it's kind of my presentation. I butchered it a little bit here, but that was my presentation for him, and people loved it. And who knows? Maybe people sign up for his maintenance program where you pay a small monthly fee. So, yeah, that just goes to show that quit making excuses. Go out and sell. If you work for a company and, you're new to the industry, you're new to the job, you're new to the company, you can still sell it. If you're new to the company but not the industry, yes, there are some intricacies with each different company that's different than every other company out there. But the industry, the bugs, the work is still the same. Or on the flip side, if you're new, don't have field experience, haven't killed a bug or haven't fixed a furnace or an AC unit in your life and don't know anything about the parts what to use, what tools to use, how to fix it, it doesn't matter. You know the need, you know the want, and you know the reason why it is important. And that's all you need to know to sell somebody on why you need to sign up for their maintenance program, or you need to use them to fix their AC or a furnace. And so that's my TED Talk or Christian talk for the day is quit making excuses. Let's get out there and sell and make money and be prosperous. So stay dry, my friends, as it's a dreary, rainy, Thursday morning here in the Ville. And I'll talk to y'all later.